Good evening. My name is Abdul Baba. I am the CTIO, Chief Technology Information Officer for Infrastructure South Africa. I've attended the summit today, where it was hosted by SAS. It was a roundtable with public sector professionals. We really chatted about data and data analytics and the value of data, how critical data is in our organization, how critical data is in the industry, and how are we utilizing data to add value. And I think the main thing really is to understand data. How do we transform data into information? How do we transform information into value? And how do you then transform value into insightful stories? There has been a couple of challenges that we've discussed, mainly around leadership, mindset of data. How do we value data? The challenges of our silo companies, and what do we need to do in order to improve the level of data analytics and awareness, but also the trends of where data is going and how important it is to understand the value of data.
Greetings, my name is John Bosco Arends. I am the group head for IT operations for the city in Johannesburg in my day job. In my night job, I'm the chairperson of the Chartered CIO Council for Middle East and Africa. Some of the key elements for me in terms of outcomes was there seemed to have been agreement that analytics without purpose and outcome is not really going to achieve a lot for the organization. In a city of Johannesburg context, analytics and business intelligence is supposed to help us to actually drive our city agenda, to help drive the ability to create jobs, to help drive the ability to attract tourism, to make sure the lights are on, to make sure that delivery on the ground impacts the people's lives that we are trying to impact. And those people are our customers, they are our residents, they are the businesses that run their businesses within the city context. And I think it's important that when we look at the solutions around intelligence, that we make sure that we build sustainability into it, that there's ease of use, there's low-code environments that we can establish. But I think the most important thing is how do we take the people with us on this journey to develop the right skills and competence to make sure that it's not just about the tech around analytics, but it's around the outcome and the decision-making that leads to transform the lives of the people of South Africa.
There's a long road in terms of building the capabilities and foundation capabilities, but I think fundamentally the most important item was that there's a lot of work that needs to be done, both on the public sector and private sector, and I think we need to be able to partner and ensure that we understand what we're trying to achieve from a business perspective. And I think if we do that, then we'll be able to achieve our data goals. And I think what is critical, it's important to have a solid data strategy that business understands and allow change management and that strategy to be understood by stakeholders so that it becomes a core pillar of building this data sets and building the core capabilities in order to implement the data strategy.
I'm Esmo Khonyana, Country Manager and Sales Director for SAS South Africa. SAS is a leader in data analytics and has been in the market for over 40 years. With the experience we've gathered working with government institutions, we believe that through a public and private partnership, governments can leverage the insight as well as the investment from private sector to solve their problems. SAS has a repository of information, white papers, research, as well as tools that can be leveraged. Feel free to reach out to us on our website, as well as LinkedIn and Twitter. Our consultants are available to support you.
So it was really a good session. I think SAS has been awesome in terms of holding the session today. And I think we need more of these collaborations, especially in private sector as well. But I think we need to bring private and public sector together. But this is a good start. It's great being back and having a physical conversation with some of the colleagues. It does make a difference, and not being on Teams and having a roundtable on Teams. It gives a different level of networking and also impact with individuals. So thank you. This has been an awesome event, and hoping to join the next roundtable. Thank you.